Welcome back to Chris's Messy Electronics. I've just got a quick update with these. I've added smoke detectors because of my going to be a little bit wary. I think they're eventually going to be in the cabinets on the boat, one on each side with the batteries. So, but these have arrived. These little 240 volt. I think they're up to 30 amp charge. A couple $100. And the plan is if I don't have the solar to charge, I can use that. So at the moment I'm getting 3 amps, 3 and a bit through. With that also takes into account that I'm using power through this. This has been running toasters and kettles and fridges and stuff for the last week. This at the moment is not using much, but we're getting 3 in, looks like. Can you see that? Yeah. But this is the final setup. So this little bugger, for when we don't have any sun, this is what we're going to use with 2 of these chargers, and one each side, port and starboard, and this will charge them up, charge up the batteries at a higher rate. At the moment, what are we at? We're at 81%. So, and anyway, I'll just fire it up and show you how it all goes together. So this is going to get noisy. Anyway. So that's on its energy saver, what's her name now. It'll energy throttles back to when you don't need full revs, and it senses the load and will adjust accordingly. That's it off. That's what will run at full noise if you've got heavy loads. I'll leave it on that and plug this straight in. Now the little fan started up on the front here. The amps are slowly coming up now. It's a dedicated 48 volt charger. So 8.4. Just do a temperature check while we're at it. Oh, there it is. So that's cut in. Must have been testing the battery then. Now it's cut in. What are we up to? 22. So let's put a bit of load on the generator. What do we got here? 33 degrees, 32. $30 for the screen, nearly. 30 for that. It's about 25 degrees today, so what's this? It's about 30 as well. BMS is bugger all. And this wire I'm going to change anyway, but it's not too hot. It's not really a problem. Nothing here is heating up. Nothing on the battery bank. They're all good. What do we got? 22.7 now. Up to 35. So this is under a bit of load at the moment. If I flick that, that's full noise there though, so it's still a little way off. And I will be running 2 of these, as I said, so it'll be interesting to see. That's our exhaust coming out at 100 degrees. Nice. Anyway, that's just a quick update on where we're at with all the batteries. I've been waiting for these chargers to turn up. I'll turn this off. Turn that off now. Back down to just the solar panels, which has sort of been keeping up with what I'm using, but not completely. But with the electric motors, it'll be a different thing. I'll drain these down. Hopefully I can hold the motors at what the generator's putting out. If I need to motor for a long time, then that'll cover that off anyway. But I'm hoping to not have to motor for a long time anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.